Assalamualaikum beautiful people, welcome to your channel Cook with Komal. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go and subscribe first. So today we are gonna make Reshmi Kabab. Here I have half kg of minced meat, 2 bread slices, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 2 teaspoons, salt to taste or salt 1 tablespoon, papaya paste 3 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, roasted and roughly crushed cumin 1 tablespoon, butter 2 tablespoon, desiccated coconut 1 tablespoon, allspice powder half tablespoon, fresh cream 4 tablespoon, 2 medium sliced onions, some coriander leaves, mint leaves, green chilies. Firstly, we will take some coriander leaves, mint leaves and green chilies. Then add onions, and chop it. Now add the bread slices. Now chop it again. Make sure it's finely chopped. Now add the meat. Now after adding meat, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, cream, allspice powder, coconut, butter, after taking out all of the meat, you will give it a smoke. Cover it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's fry it. Shallow fry it on low flame for 2 minutes, one side. Now flip it. So this is our final look. If you like this recipe, give thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.